If you've been seeing OROS eye patches online, you may be wondering whether these under-eye repair patches are actually legit or if the marketing is making bigger promises than the product can realistically deliver. OROS claims its dissolving microneedle patches can target puffiness, dark circles, fine lines, and tired-looking skin without surgery or a complicated skincare routine. But before buying, there are a few things worth checking. Before we start, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for educational and awareness purposes only. We do not promote or endorse any products or supplements shown. All opinions are based on public information and red flags that may suggest misleading or unsafe marketing. One of the biggest concerns is the claim that OROS uses dissolving microneedles to deliver ingredients beneath the skin and reach the exact layer where dark circles, puffiness, and wrinkles form. Microneedles can help with ingredient penetration, but that doesn't automatically prove that this specific patch will eliminate eye bags, dark circles, or wrinkles. The FDA also evaluates microneedling products based on their specific intended uses, so a delivery method by itself isn't proof of effectiveness. Another concern is the repeated claim that the patches reach an exact depth of 0.3 millimeters. Under-eye problems don't all come from the same layer of skin. Dark circles can be caused by pigmentation, visible blood vessels, shadows, or changes in facial volume, while puffiness can have completely different causes. So presenting one specific depth as a solution for all these concerns may be an oversimplification. The website also appears to be relatively new, with a registration date of February 2nd, 2026. A new website isn't automatically a scam, but it does mean there is less history to evaluate. The pricing also uses large discounts and buy two, get one free style offers, which are common marketing tactics and shouldn't be treated as proof of value. There are also concerns about transparency. The website doesn't appear to provide a clear phone number or physical business address. It also shows highly positive reviews and mentions a 4.7 rating from Trustpilot, but there doesn't appear to be corresponding Trustpilot feedback to independently verify those reviews. The lack of a clear social media presence is another point worth considering. So, is OROS eye patches a scam? We can't say that based on these points alone. However, the strong claims, limited transparency, unverifiable review claims, and aggressive discounting mean it's worth doing more research before spending your money.